Alright, Alan, here's your Cobra 29. Just hooked it up. I'll show you what it's doing here before we touch it. 25 watt slug. So it's keying 4 watts. Hello. Hello. Swinging to almost a 4.5. 50 watt slug PEP. Hello. 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. It's actually doing 20 watts, not too bad. But we're gonna get in here and do our basic tune alignment, fix carrier level on this, and we'll be back.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.
Alright, then we're back. Our standard tune alignment on this, nothing special, but gonna bring a whole lot more audio out of it. As you'll see right here, 25 watt slug. We backed you down there to about 2.5 watts. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Notice it's going forward now. Hello, 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 hello. It's about 6 bird or so on this one. 50 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1 2. Hello, hello, hello. 35 peaks. We picked up 15 PEP. So good deal, man. Gonna have a lot more audio. Gonna be clearer for you, and receive picked up a little bit as well. All right, my friend, it's ready to go. Bum bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.